एक सवाल है, अगर आपके पास टाइम मशीन होती तो आप अपनी पैसे की आदतों को बदलने के लिए किस वक्त लौट कर जाते? और अगर आप आज कुछ ऐसे फैसले ले सकते जो आपके फाइनेंशियल फ्यूचर को बदल दें? इमेजिन कीजिए एक ऐसी लाइफ जहां आप पैसों की टेंशन से फ्री हैं। दोस्तों, आज मैं आपको वो 5 पैसे की आदतें बताऊंगा जो मेरी जिंदगी को बदल कर रख गई हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। The very first habit that changed everything for me was this: pay yourself first. What I mean by pay yourself first is setting aside a portion of your income for your future self before you even think about spending it on anything else. Think of it like paying your future self a non-negotiable bill. This could be as little as a few hundred rupees each month, or a larger percentage if your budget allows. The key is consistency. Trust me, your future self will thank you for it. Budgeting often gets a bad rap, conjuring up images of restrictive spending and missed out fun. But let me tell you, budgeting is not about deprivation. Think of your budget as a roadmap to your financial goals. It helps you track your income and expenses, identify areas where you might be overspending, and free up more money to put towards your goals. There are tons of apps and tools available that can simplify the process. Review your budget regularly, make adjustments as needed, and celebrate your progress along the way. Chapter 3: Invest early and consistently. Time is your best friend. Let's talk about investing. The power of compounding means that the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. When I first dipped my toes into the world of investing, I was filled with doubts. But I soon realized that by avoiding investing altogether, I was actually taking on a different kind of risk. The risk of missing out on potential growth. It's about making consistent contributions over time and letting the power of compounding work its magic. Focus on building a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and long-term financial goals. Chapter 4: Lifestyle Inflation, the silent wealth killer. As your income grows, it's tempting to level up your lifestyle accordingly. A bigger house, a fancier car, more luxurious vacations. While it's perfectly fine to enjoy the fruits of your labor, it's important to be mindful of lifestyle inflation and its potential impact on your long-term financial well-being. Lifestyle inflation can quickly eat away at your hard-earned income, leaving you with less money to save and invest. The key to combating lifestyle inflation is to be intentional with your spending. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your values and goals. Chapter 5: Cultivate a wealth mindset, your most powerful asset. Finally, let's talk about the most important habit of all: developing a wealth mindset. It's about shifting your beliefs and attitudes towards money from a place of scarcity to a place of abundance. A wealth mindset empowers you to believe that you are capable of achieving financial success and that you have the power to create the life you desire. Cultivating a wealth mindset is an ongoing journey, not a destination. उतरो, आपकी फाइनेंशियल जर्नी शुरू होती है ABE। तो ये थे 5 मनी हैबिट्स जो मेरी जिंदगी को कंप्लीटली बदल देने वाले थे। ये ओवरनाइट सक्सेस नहीं था, ये कंसिस्टेंट एफर्ट्स था जो मैंने अपनी लाइफ में डाले। AP भी ये हैबिट्स अपना सकते हैं और अपने फाइनेंशियल फ्यूचर को स्ट्रांग बना सकते हैं। इमेजिन कीजिए, आपका पैसा आपके लिए पैसा कमा रहा है और वो भी बिना किसी एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट की। इट्स लाइक हैविंग योर मनी वर्क फॉर यू 24/7। तो देर किस बात की, आज से ही ये 5 हैबिट्स अपनी लाइफ में इंप्लीमेंट करना शुरू कर दो और अपने आप को एक सिक्योर और अबंडेंट फ्यूचर की तरफ ले जाओ। और ऐसे ही अच्छे वीडियोस के लिए इंस्प्रो हेवन को सब्सक्राइब